each fecal sample and compare the dietary niches of different species.
Our preliminary analysis is, the data look very exciting, and as we predict, the smallest species, bushbuck, is almost living on top of termite mounds to have the highest quality diet.
The researchers are finding that bushbuck feed almost exclusively on the highly nutritious termite mound plants. The larger species forage more widely, both on and off mounds. This is because bigger animals need a greater quantity of food to sustain themselves, even if it means that each mouthful is less nutritious on average.
Kudu should have the lowest quality diet, and Nyala should be sort of somewhere smack dab in between. What our DNA metabarcoding studies have revealed is this really interesting picture of how animals partition.
Forage, forage, forage.